Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future weekly update from 3rd of October to 7th of October 2022. How did you do last week, guys? I believe everybody became profitable last week also. I have predicted last week that it will go up to 11,500 and from that level it will fall. Okay, that was my prediction, and last week what I have mentioned is that if it holds 11,000, buy from that level 11,000, and if another buying opportunity 11,300, and then target that will be 11,500. Okay, that was for buying. If you bought that, you might be 500 points profit when buy. And the next what I have mentioned is it is very difficult to cross 11,500. That's the reason when it reaches 11,500, that level, start selling from that level. That was my another suggestion for you, another recommendation for you. If you have sold in 11,500, I mentioned that sell in 11,300 also. And if you have sold there, you will have another trading. And then I told you that it's very difficult to cross 11,000. Okay, it's very difficult to go below that. Exactly same thing happened. It tested several times 11,000 level, and then it didn't cross. Finally on Friday last hour it crossed 11,000. Okay, so what I have mentioned last week, what I have predicted last week, just quickly check my last week video. So let's quickly check the prediction of the week. Market has entered into the bearish mode. It is likely to touch 11,500 before crossing a strong support 11,000 level. Weekly data are expected to be moderate for the week, but the adverse economic situation and Fed's aggressive monetary policy has affected the investors' sentiment. Strong support level at 11,000, and it is likely to break that support level this week. If it holds the 11,000 level, buy with the first target 11,300 and the second target 11,500. Sell in every rise until 10,700. That's your target for this week. Selling opportunity at 11,500. If it reaches 11,500, next selling opportunity 11,300, and final selling opportunity 10,900 with a target 10,700 for this week. Okay guys, you have checked my last week prediction, and then you saw that the price action exactly fall as my prediction, and before analyzing and predicting for this week, let's quickly check what type of data are going to be released in this week. Okay, alright guys, on Monday ISM manufacturing PMI, Tuesday JOLT job openings, Wednesday ADP non-farm employment change, ISM non-manufacturing PMI and crude oil inventory, Thursday initial jobless claim, and Friday non-farm payroll and unemployment rate. Okay, alright guys, we have checked the data that are going to be released in this week, and it is expected that the data are not going to be that much good for Nasdaq 100 future for the coming week. If the data are not good for Nasdaq 100 futures, definitely you know what you have to do. You have to sell it. Okay, so in every rise you have to sell. What we can expect is that it is possible market can go up to this level, 11,200 level. That will be the maximum level if the data they are unexpectedly positive at that moment. Only that at that moment the market can cross that 11,200 level. Otherwise it is very difficult to cross that 11,200 level. And another thing is that if the market open in a gap down, then this 11,000, this label will be changed as resistance level, strong resistance level, and then we can easily say 10,500 level in coming week. That is the prediction. Okay, so let's see the positive side. What are the positive side? Let me quickly check the positive side. Right, okay, so here no buying opportunity at the moment. At the moment there is no buying opportunity. Possible some pullback until 11,200 unless there is opening gap down. Crossing 11,200 will attract some buyers. That means when it crosses 11,200, do not sell. Okay, do not sell, because it will go up. If it crosses 11,200, it is very risky to sell if it crosses 11,200 level. Okay, so this is for the buying thing. And then another thing what I can say is that it is very high chance to touch 10,900 level, and if it doesn't cross that level, then you'll have buying opportunity. If you buy from that level 300 points until 11,200, you can wait, and then you can exit from that level. Wait, if it crossed that level, start buying from 11,200. If it doesn't cross 11,200, start selling from that level, and your target that will be 10,500 level. Okay, so now let's see the selling side. Likely to go 10,500 level, as I already mentioned. This week it crosses 10,900. Okay, if it doesn't cross 10,900, then you can buy, but crossing that level 10,900, definitely it will go about 10,500 level. Selling opportunity in every rise until 11,200. But you need to remember that if it crosses 11,200, do not try to sell. Okay, sell in 11,200. If it doesn't cross 10,900, 10,700, with target 10,500 for this week. Okay, so now let's quickly check the prediction, what I have predicted for this week. Alright guys, the prediction, market has already entered into the bearish mode, so that's the major thing that you need to understand. That means do not try to buy this stuff at the moment. Next thing, if opening gap down, it is unlikely to cross 11,000. Otherwise, it is likely to touch 11,200 before a major fall. Next thing, weekly data are expected to be worse. Okay, they are not expected to be moderate or good. That means it is very likely to touch 10,500. Okay, strong support level at 11,000, which is slightly broken last week. Still, it is in support level. The market is in support level. It hasn't crossed that level, 11,000 level. It hasn't gone down. That's the reason. So until it crosses 10,900, still that 11,000 that remains is support level. Okay, when it crosses 10,900, then it will change as resistance level. If it holds 10,900 level, buy with the first target 11,000 and the second target 11,200, and over 11,200 market will attract some buyers. That's the reason do not try to sell from that level. Sell in every rise until 10,500, selling opportunity at 11,200, 10,900, 10,700, with target 10,500 for this week. Okay, I hope that this video is helpful you to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future. I recommend everyone to do your own research before making investment decision. If you like this video, thumb up. If you have any question, write down in the comment box, and subscribe the channel so that as soon as I upload the video, you will get it straight. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.